Tama ka talaga. Nanantya lang talaga yung mga ibang congressman dahil alam nilang malakas talaga si Sara at walang maging impeachment doon sa Senado. Panoorin nyo, sinabi niya. 8 lang talaga ang klarong buboto ng impeach Sara Duterte sa Senado. Yung iba, hindi na. Ang kailangan lang ng boto ni Sara mismo, 9. O paano kung 8 ang buboto sa impeach, ilan ang 16 ang boboto sa para hindi ma-impeach si Sara. Di ba? So, ganun lang. Panoorin nyo. Panoorin yung forecast niya. Panoorin nyo.
Look at it this way first. Baliktarin natin. We go to the Senate. The Senate will be the judge or the jury. The question in most politicians' mind, especially if you're in Congress, is, mako-convict ba? Will she be convicted in the Senate? My personal count, 16 votes will acquit her. And only 8 votes will. May iba doon mag-abstain pa. Ang nakakasiguro ka lang na boboto against her are Risa, Kiko, possibly Tito Soto, and possibly Ping Lacson.
Yun pa lang ang sure.
Yun lang ang sure. Maaring yung dalawang Tulfo pwedeng sumama doon or pwedeng mag-abstain depending on their political trajectory in 2028 and beyond. Mananansya pa yan. All the rest will vote for acquittal. No? Whether it is because they're very close to Vice President Sara like Amy, Marcoleta, Robin Hood, etc. Or because their political future depends on a solid 34% Mindanao plus Central Visayas vote. Kung tatakbo kang re-election at hindi ka nanalo sa 34%, talo ka.
Kaigit na.